Hello friends, I would be starting the new video series on Python tutorials. Today is the first session. In this session, we will understand what is Python, why everyone is eager to learn Python, Python applications, career opportunities in Python, and we'll see how some of the organizations uses Python in their applications. So let's begin the first session with understanding what is Python. Python is interpreted high level and general purpose programming language. It is created by Guido van Rossum and first released in 1991. Python design philosophy emphasizes code readability with its notable and use of significant white space. Its language constructs an object-oriented approach aimed to help programmers to write clear, logical code for small and large scale projects. Python is dynamically typed and garbage collected. It supports multiple programming and paradigms, including structured, object-oriented, and functional programming. Python is often described as batteries including language due to its comprehensive standard library. Python was created in late 1980s as a successor of ABC language. Python 2.0, released in 2000, introduced features like list comprehension and garbage collection system with reference counting. Now let's move on and see why Python. Easy to use. Python is easy to use, powerful and versatile, making it a great choice for beginners and experts. Python's readability makes it great first programming language. It allows you to think like a programmer and not waste time with confusing syntax. There is no need to specify the data type. You just need to declare a variable. Python will understand the context, whether it is an integer, a float value, a boolean, or something else. Next is free open source. Python is developed under an OSI approved open source license, making it freely usable and distributable, even for commercial use. Python license is administered by Python Software Foundation. Getting started, Python can be easily to pick up whether you are first programmer or you are experienced with other languages. The following pages are useful first step to get your way writing programs in Python. Friendly and easy to learn. The community hosts conferences and meetups, collaborate on code and much more. Python documentation will help you along the way and the mailing list will keep you in touch. Now let's move on and see Python applications. These are the few different applications like web and internet development, desktop GUIs, scientific and numeric calculations, education, software development, and business applications. So let's see what is first web and internet development. Python offers many choices of web development. Frameworks such as Django and Pyramid, micro frameworks such as Flask and Bottle, advanced content management such as Plone and Django CMS. Next is desktop GUI. The TKGUI library is included with most binary distribution of Python. Some toolkits that are usable on several platforms are available separately. Moving forward, we'll see what is scientific and numeric. Python is widely used in scientific and numeric computing. SciPy is a package for mathematics, science, and engineering. Pandas is for data analysis and modeling library. IPython is also a powerful interactive shell that features easy editing and recording of work session and support visualizations and parallel computing. Next is education. Python is superb language for teaching programming both at the introductory level and in more advanced courses. Books such as How to Think Like a Computer Scientist, Python Programming, An Introduction to Computer Science, and Practical Programming are available. The, the Education Special Interest Group is a good place to discuss teaching issues. Moving forward, we will see software development application. Python is often used as a support language for software developers for build control and management testing and in many other ways. SCONS for build control, BuildBot, and Apache Gump for automated continuous compilation and testing. Roundup or Track for bug tracking, and project management. The last is business application. Python is also used to build ERP and e-commerce systems. Odoo is an all-in-one management system that offers a range of business applications that form a complete suite of enterprise management application. Triton is a three-tier high-level general-purpose application platform. So these are the different applications of Python. Now let's move ahead and see what are the career opportunities in Python. Python career opportunities are Python developer, web developer, big data analyst, Python full stack developer, data analyst, and data scientist. So let's see what is a Python developer is. Becoming a Python developer is most the direct job out there for someone who knows the Python programming language. A Python developer can be expected to do the below activities like build websites, optimize data algorithms, solve data analytics problem, implementing security and data protection, writing reusable, testable, and efficient code. Next is the web developer. There are many opportunities and careers after learning Python language. Web development is one of the popular careers with the programming world. Also, you will create applications with the assistance of a range of programming language including Python. Next is big data analyst. Python is considered as one of the best data science tool for big data jobs. Python and big data are the perfect fit where there is a need of integration between data analysis and web apps or statistical code with production database. Next is data analyst. Many companies are looking for someone who can sift through large data sets, and a popular way to accomplish this is using Python libraries such as SciPy, NumPy, and Pandas. Let's see what is a full stack developer. There are many career opportunities after learning Python language. Full stack developer is a role that straddles the road between entry and mid level. Yes, it is possible to enter the workforce during a full stack role, but number of skills required for a full stack generally lends itself better to developers with minimum of some professional experience. Last is the data scientist. The job role for the data scientist is identify data sources and automate the collection, pre-process data and analyze it to discover trends, design predictive models and machine learning algorithms, perform data visualization, propose solution to business challenges. So these are the latest opportunities, career opportunities if you learn Python. Now moving forward, we will see which all organizations that are using Python in their day-to-day applications. So first is Google. Google uses Python in most of the web pages. Mostly Google Drive Online is based on Python. Google uses Python for its internal system and its APIs for report generation, log analysis, QA and testing, writing core search algorithms. Let's see how Yahoo uses it. Yahoo Maps is an online mapping portal by Yahoo. It uses Python in many of its mapping lookup services and addresses. Netflix uses Python with machine learning for recommendation engine, recommending the users with their with the movies depending on the taste or genre, on their past browsing history, or the movies that they have watched previously. Even NASA uses Python for scientific calculations. So these are some organizations that are presently using Python. Now, to summarize everything, Python is very promising in the near future. Gaining the right skill through Python, the right platform will give you the right perfect job. Thank you for watching. That's all for the today's session. Hope you find it interesting. In the next session, we will see the installation of Python on Windows and Mac operating system. If you like my training sessions, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications of my new sessions. This will support and motivate my channel. Thank you.